Here, you film me. I'm gonna hook up to her and pull her out.
Do you want me to get some light?
What do you want me doing?
There's another light right over there. Somebody else is stuck.
Might be up here all night now.
Are you ready to get pulled out?
I am, and I'm ready to get some gas.
Well, I don't have any gas.
Yeah, I'm ready to get pulled out.
Well, where are you gonna go when you get pulled out?
I guess back to Springdale because I don't want to get stuck again.
How long you been here?
About 3 hours. 4 hours.
You are out of gas.
Yeah.
Did you see anybody else up here?
No.
Okay. Well, let's get you pulled out, should we?
Please.
Are you okay other than that?
Yeah.
Okay. You okay to drive?
Yeah, it's really dark though. So, I hope so.
Okay. Sounds good. Let's get you pulled out. I don't know if you want to get in there with her. I'm just going to pull right up to her and just back up slow and just pull her out.
They have a tow hook right there. They have a place right there in the center. Maybe I think she's been drinking that.
There's a skunk over here. I can smell it.
Carrying around a set of T-hooks.
All I usually do, I ought to get another set of them.
A T-hook is a special device to hook to your car. Want me to just go right to this control arm?
Yeah. What's that? Are you
Control.
sure you're good to drive? Okay. Put your car in neutral for me. Is that neutral?
Looks like you're in reverse.
Go up. There you go, there you go.
That looks
what
like
I'm going to do
neutral.
is I'm just going to pull you out. And when I get you out, I want you to stop and don't crash into the front of me. With me? Alright.
Hard to drive in the dark. I just hooked to their control arm right where it comes to the cross member.
Well, I wonder if you got to drive up to the lake and see the other up there.
Well, yeah. Probably should have left her for a minute while we went up to the lake. Kept her held tight.
I don't know if I got that on video or not.
I hope you didn't video that now. Yeah.
your usual, so you probably shouldn't be driving, right? Okay, so why don't we do this? Do you want somebody to drive your car off the mountain for you? Or, no, I'm not charging you a dime. The reason I'm up here is because I came up here to do another job, and my usual routine is to drive up the road to the end of where the road is no further longer open and make sure nobody else is stuck.
Yeah.
So,
I took some corners and really, really sleepy. And
okay, well, if you're okay, we'll have somebody drive you off the mountain. And we'll go from there. Okay.
I'm trying to get to Cedar.
That's not going to happen on this road.
Right. Then we go back to Hurricane again. I've been 3 times.
Well, no wonder you're out of gas.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, just sit tight. We're going to run up to the lake where the road ends, and then we're going to come back, we'll turn around, and we'll get out of here.
Okay, do I need to be park or are
No,
we
we'll-
neutral or drive?
We'll drive it off. Okay, we'll be back.
So don't leave, okay?
I'm not going in.
Okay, we'll be right back.
Does your car run?
I'm not sure.
You're not sure?
No.
Well, you know what day it is? The 12th is here. Okay. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay, you're the best. I'll tell everybody I know. Shelby, what are you doing?
You should probably give me my phone though. It's in the Jeep.
Yeah, and I have no gas.
Okay, turn it around. Let's get out of here. So while you got gas. Hold.
Well, get your phone. Where's your phone at, Shelby?
It's in the glove box. In the second one.
Okay, turn hard right and just turn around right there, Shelbs. Little bit more. All right, good. Just jump up in front of us there, babe. We'll follow you off. Hold on to your phone.
Jeez, driving like it's a Volkswagen.
Okay. Do
I'm over there.
you want a camera too, Shelby?
Huh?
Do you want a camera?
Yeah, I'd say yes.
Sure. The one to sit.
I'll get the magnet.
Okay.
All right, so that was a little bit exciting there. We're just laughing. You never know what you're going to come across up here on the mountain, but
It's too dark to drive.
it's too dark to drive, she said, but it was just pretty funny because she must take, well, I don't even want to talk about what's going on, but we just had a good laugh with this gal. She's as funny as a wooden watch, but
Poor Shelby.
So Shelby is a champion of champions. She decided that because the gal was on her sleep time medication and it was too dark to drive, that she would drive her off the mountain. So she's completely out of gas. She was stuck up here, and we were down on the lower section pulling that other vehicle out, the Chevy, and decided, oh, do what we always do and let's drive up here and make sure that everybody's that's stuck on the mountain is okay. So while we're here, we're gonna get them pulled out and get them taken care of. But oh man, that gal is funny.
She's going back to Hurricane for her 3rd time today.
Yeah, she's been back to Hurricane on her 3rd time. I don't know if she drove or what the deal was, but anyways, that was a pretty fun one there. Just she was down in the wash. She claimed she did in there about 3 hours, but who the heck knows. But just can't quit laughing. Anyways, thanks as always for coming along for the ride, and we'll catch you on the next one. All right, well, we're headed off the mountain. Shelby's up in the front with that Subaru. She's cooking. She's got places to be and people to see. She's headed to Arizona in the morning, so she wants to get home and get a good night's sleep. That's so funny. She'll probably hit a deer. Are you going to trade in your Volkswagen for a Subaru?
No way in heck.
What's that noise that thing's making?
It's the belt, probably.
Don't give her the keys.
Or it could be the game.
Does she have the keys? Get the keys.